Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 8th. Okay, so students, in a class 8th, your chapter sound is going on, and today I'm just going to telling you about a musical instrument and noise. And with it, this chapter will be finished of your lesson of your from your syllabus. Clear? And listen students, here I'm telling you because of from the March your exam will be start, and that's why I'm just here which topic I'm teaching you, that topic you have to only read, and only not you have to read all the topics. Okay, only that topic you have to read what I taught you. Clear? So let's start our today's topic. First one is a musical instrument. So what is a musical instrument? Yesterday I told you the different frequencies, voice, audible voice and non-audible voice. Yesterday I told you, and some voice is in a pleasant way. It means we listen some voice, we feel it as a pleasant voice and thrilling voice. Clear? So musical are the instrument which are we can say that which perform the pleasant voice in different frequencies. Okay, so you can say that a number of frequencies present in a different in a musical instruments in a musical instruments, number of frequencies present in a definite ratio or a relations to each other. Clear? So that's why we listen it very in a pleasant way, we can say that. Okay, now the musical instrument is generally divided into three classes. So you have to read only two classes, and third one is also given in your book. You have to watch this third type of the musical instrument from your book. Okay, and first one is a stringed instruments. So what is a stringed instruments? It is you don't have to write definition of this. You have to only write what is the example of these type of instruments. Clear? So first one is string instrument. So what is the example of a string instrument? That is the violin, guitar and sitar. Okay, and now how in a string instruments the voice sound here, we can say that the music is generated. So with the help of the vibrating strings. You know what is the strings? Have you ever seen the violin and guitar and sitar? So there is a strings, and when the when the operator string, yeah, we can say that when the operator operate the strings, then the vibration caused in the strings, and that's why the music is generated. Clear? So you have to must have to remember what is the example of this type of instrument. Now the second is wind instruments. What is the example of a wind instruments? Firstly, students always remember wind instruments. It means which is the sound is produced by the vibration of wind particles. Okay, as I told you, the sound is travel in the form of a waves, and for the traveling the sound there is needs of a mediums. Okay, a medium can be three type. Okay, what is a type? That is a solid, liquid and a gases. Gases, it means air, and air is in our surroundings, and air is also made up of a tiny particles. Clear? So this is the wind instrument is related with the vibration of a air particle. Clear? And now what is the example? That is a trumpet, flute and harmonium is the example of a air instruments. Clear? The third is also given. Okay, but I have which because of I have not here book, and the pictures which is sent by the student, that is in my WhatsApp number. So the students, that third type is not clearly visible. That's why you have to watch and you have to inform to me. Clear? Now the last topic is the noise. Noise is an important topic, students. Okay, so first one, what is the noise? So everyone know what is the noise? The unpleasant. As I told you, what is music? So music is a pleasant sound. Clear? And what is a noise? Noise is an unpleasant sound. Clear? You can say that unpleasant discomfort causing sound from any source is called a noise pollution. Clear? Noise. If the question is asked what is a noise, so you have to tell the unpleasant sound and discomfort sound, that is known as a noise. If anybody asks, if the question is asked what is a noise pollution, so you have to tell unpleasant discomfort causing sound from any source is called a noise pollution. Clear? Now, what is the source of noise pollution? So in general way, you can very well know that you know very well what is the source of noise pollution. So that are the automobiles, the blaring loudspeakers, televisions and radio. Now television, radio we all have generally see, but when it will be converted into the noise pollution, if you are crying, if you are crying very fast, your television and radio sound is very fast, okay, then it will be converted into the noise pollution. And air cooler and air conditioned voice is also produce the noise pollution. Yeah. So these all are some sources of the noise pollution. Now what is the harmful effect of the noise pollution? So you must have to know, generally some student habited to the listen the TV and radio very speak loud. Yeah, we can say that very loud sound. So this is a very bad habit. In your class you also produce a very sound, so that can also produce the noise pollution. Clear? So students, you must have to know what is the harmful effect. Now what is the harmful effect? First one is the irritation and loss of concentration. So okay, lots of students tell ma'am this question is not I'm not able to learn the question in the noise, because of that student is noisy. Clear? So because of the noise pollution, the student or anybody cannot be concentrate in their work. Okay, so this is the harmful effect of the noise pollution. Now sleep disturbance. Obviously if you are there is a noise pollution, so you cannot take complete and well your sleep, and if you are not sleeping, then you cannot concentrate in your work. Okay, because of sleep is also very necessary part of your life. Now the third one, ear damage and loss of hearing. This is a very harmful effect, ear damage and loss of hearing. If you are continuous living with the noise pollution, then you can lose your hearing capacity. Okay, so this is all about of the noise pollution and musical instrument. And students, now the this lesson is finished, and what you have to do, students, you have to watch, you have to find the exercise and find out the question answer, because of I tell all the topics from your book, so you have to find out all the answers. If you're not you unable to find out the answer, so you can inform me. Clear? And I am also telling you students, your question answer and an exercise I will send it in your notes option also, but firstly you have to complete your answers, you have to find out your answer. Okay, now from it this lesson is finished, only the one chapter is remain, which is I will finish within 2 days, and then after I will take your revision. Clear? So this is all about of my today's class, and this is the ending of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.